Welcome to Akshay's Special Channel. Today we are going to see about solar system. So let's get started. Our planetary system is located in an outer spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system consists of the Sun and everything bounded by its gravity. The largest planet which orbits the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The dwarf planets such as Pluto and dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids and meteoroids also revolve around the Sun. There are 100 billion solar systems in our own Milky Way galaxy. Astronomers believe that the solar system is found about 4.5 billion years ago. It takes the solar system about 240 million years to complete one orbit to the galaxy. Let's move on to the Sun. The Sun accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. The temperature inside the Sun can reach about 15 million degrees Celsius, and it spins once every 25 days. At its pole, it rotates once for every 35 days. Now let's move on to other planets of the solar system. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and it orbits around the Sun for 80 days, which is the shortest and smallest of all the planets in the solar system. And it has no moon. Mercury has only one sunrise for every 180 days. Venus. Even though Venus isn't the closest planet to the Sun, it is still the hottest planet in our solar system, which is about 400 degrees Celsius. On Venus, the metals like lead and tin would melt, and it takes about 225 days for Venus to go all the way around the Sun. On Venus, sun rises every 117 days. That means the Sun rises 2 times during each year on Venus. It does not have any moon. Venus has more volcanoes, around 1,600, than any other planets in the solar system. Venus and Uranus rotate in the opposite direction than the other planets. It reflects 70% of all the sunlight it receives, and this is the reason why it shines so bright, and it is called as brightest planet. Earth. Earth is our home planet, which is the only place in the solar system where water can be present in its 3 states: solid, liquid and vapor. And it is only the place where total solar eclipse can happen. It takes 365.26 days to orbit the Sun. Because of this number, we add 1 day to our calendar every 4 years. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach the Earth. The continent of Asia covers about 30% of all the land, and around 60% of world population is located there. The Earth slows down its rotation, which could make for longer days in future, which could bring about 25 hours in 140 million years. The Moon is only the natural satellite of the Earth. If you weigh 68 kg on the Earth, then you would be probably 11 kg on the Moon. Mars. Mars is also known as Red Planet, which is very similar to the Earth. Mars has the tallest mountain, which is triple the height of Mount Everest. Mars has the largest dust storm in the solar system. There are high chance that people will one day occupy Red Planet. Mars takes around 1.9 years to orbit the Sun and has 2 moons. Another interesting fact: in 1977, we received a signal from deep space that lasted 72 seconds only. We still don't know how or where it came from. This signal remains the strongest evidence for an alien radio transmission ever found. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of solar system. It has a total of 79 confirmed moons, and it has 3 ring system, but they are very faint and hard to see. The great red spot is big enough to hold two Earths. Jupiter has the biggest ocean of any planet. Jupiter shrinks 2 centimeters every year because it radiates too much heat. It is the solar system vacuum cleaner because of this powerful magnetic field that attracts many asteroids and other dangerous objects into its orbit, thus protecting other planets. Saturn. Saturn is a very unique and interesting planet with a striking feature of rings. It is called as ringed planet. This planet has more than 30 ring systems. Those rings are made up of chunks of ice and rocks. Saturn has a total of 82 confirmed moons. The Saturn takes 29.5 years to revolve around the Sun. It has the lowest density of all the planets. The planet is so lighter than the water, and if placed on a pond, Saturn would float as it made up of gases such as hydrogen and helium. Uranus has a very unique rotation that it spins on its side at an almost 90-degree angle, unlike other planets. As I already mentioned earlier, Uranus rotates in opposite direction. It has the coldest planetary atmosphere in the solar system on an average temperature of minus 224 degrees Celsius, minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit. The reason why Uranus is blue is due to the presence of methane. It has 27 moons and it takes 84 years to orbit the Sun. Neptune is an ice giant of strongest wind of any planet in solar system. It has no surface since it is basically a swirling world of gases and liquids surrounding a core. It has 6 rings and 14 confirmed moons. It takes about 164.8 years to orbit the Sun. The Pluto, once considered as the ninth and most distant planet from the Sun, is now the largest known dwarf planet in the solar system. In 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. In 2017, a group of scientists have sent messages to advanced alien civilization living in a star system, hoping to receive a response in 25 years. I hope you like this video. Please click like button, and if you have any suggestions or comment, please do mention in comment section below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Like, share, subscribe to Aksha's Passion channel. Keep smiling!